When you think about your retirement, it's important to know that time can either work for you or against you. But what happens if you've had a gold IRA for 20 years? Well, let me take you through the real impact it can have on your wealth, especially for those who want to protect their savings from inflation, market volatility, and other risks that come with traditional retirement accounts. In this video, we'll take a look at how your gold IRA could perform over the long term and why it's a powerful option that you might not want to miss, especially if you're serious about safeguarding your wealth for the future. Before I dive into the numbers and the case study, if you're serious about protecting your wealth over the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description. Thousands of Americans are already opening gold IRAs to protect their savings. That free guide will help you understand why gold IRAs are such a solid choice and how you can get started, regardless of whether you have $100K, $500K, or even $5 million in savings. Now let's talk about what happens after 20 years with a gold IRA. Gold historically has been one of the best ways to preserve and grow wealth. In fact, over the past 20 years, gold has far outpaced inflation and other traditional investment options like stocks and bonds. A gold IRA allows you to hedge against market downturns while securing your wealth with a tangible asset that has proven resilience through centuries. But how exactly does that play out in real terms? Let's break it down. In the early years, your gold IRA could show steady but modest growth. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but as you move into year 5, 10, and especially 20, you start to see the real impact. Gold's price tends to rise as inflation takes hold, and it often outperforms paper investments when the stock market hits rough patches. You'll see your gold IRA becoming a much larger percentage of your overall portfolio, and in the long term, you've got something that is much more secure than many other retirement options. Let's compare this to traditional IRAs, which are often tied to stock market performance. A market crash or recession could wipe out a significant portion of your savings, and there's very little you can do about it. In contrast, gold IRAs have a track record of holding value during those rough times. They've been a stable performer, especially in times of economic uncertainty. You might be wondering about fees. Gold IRAs typically come with higher setup and maintenance costs than traditional IRAs. But when you consider the long-term growth potential and the peace of mind that comes with knowing your wealth is protected, these costs can easily be justified. And remember, compared to the ongoing volatility of stocks and bonds, these costs become secondary to the stability your gold IRA provides. Now, for American retirees, especially those with $100K or more in their IRA or 401K, or even $5 in savings, gold IRAs are an especially good fit. If you're looking at a nest egg that's already substantial, you'll want to take the next step in ensuring it stays secure for the future. A gold IRA not only provides protection, but it can also offer a unique way to diversify your assets. By adding gold to your retirement portfolio, you're adding a layer of protection against potential risks like inflation and market instability. And 20 years down the road, you'll likely look back and be grateful for taking this step early on. It's all about ensuring that your wealth isn't exposed to the dangers that could wipe out your hard-earned savings. So, if you're ready to take the next step in securing your wealth, it's time to act. If you want to know exactly why so many American retirees are choosing gold IRAs, check out the free guide in the description. It's perfect for those with 100K plus in an IRA or 401K, or anyone with significant savings who wants to ensure their wealth is safe in the coming decades. With the right information, you can make the best choice for your retirement. The future of your wealth doesn't have to be uncertain. A gold IRA could be the safeguard you've been looking for.